Father and Son Fix here, back with another video on how to change the water filter on your refrigerator. We like to drink the water out of the fridge. Why do we like the water out of the fridge?
It's nice and clean and it tastes good.
Nice and clean and cool. And the way we keep it clean is the water filter. And in this episode, we're going to show you how to change it.
The water comes up from here, and then the filter is all the way down here and hooks up and filters the water. Here is the filter, which we are going to take out and replace it.
There's a little cover here. Open this up.
I never know that's how it works.
Yep. And then we're going to hit this button here. Go ahead, hit that button. Now, the challenge with this that you'll see is that a lot of times when you hit the button, you can't get the filter out all the way. So it's tough to get a finger in there as well. So this entire grill piece here can actually be removed. It's held in place by two clips.
I didn't know that's how it worked. I don't really know.
That's it. And then you can gain access to take the filter out. Okay? Replacement is just the same. Get your filter, align the tab on the side with the tab, slide straight in until you get the satisfying click, and you're good to go. Now, before you put the grill back on, what's a good thing to do?
To vacuum the grill and clean it out.
Clean the grill, and also the coils a lot of time are going to be behind that, and so that will keep your refrigerator running nice and efficiently. Here's a closer look at the clips. Sometimes it helps to open the refrigerator doors to get access to them, and I'll show you. There's one of them right there, and then it's going to clip into that metal piece. There's one on the other side just like that, and when you put it back in, firm force right in that area. On the left side, or the side where the water comes in, you do want to be careful when you reinsert it that you don't pinch the water line here coming into the fridge. Looks like we got a little bit of cleaning to do in that area as well. After you install a new filter, you have to flush the filter. Now, they recommend between 2 and 4 gallons. We like to do 4 gallons, and here we've got a 4-cup measuring cup. Now, if there are 16 cups in a gallon, and it takes 4 of these for 1 gallon, how many will it take for all 4 gallons?
64. 64
Cups.
cups.
Which
But
means
you
of
need
those,
16
of the measuring
of this container, exactly. So depending upon the size of the container that you have, 4 gallons, 64 cups.
There.
After you flush your 4 gallons, enjoy a nice, clean, cold glass of water. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. Stay tuned for the next episode.